It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's Korea's ultimate comfort food. Let's make bibimbap next on the food plane. Finally, the food plane has landed in South Korea. South Korea has some of the most beautiful people you'll ever meet, and they have some amazing food. Bibimbap, it's a classic Korean dish that literally means mixed rice. This recipe has been found as far back as the 1300s, all the way through the 1800s. The sauce that brings bibimbap together is gochujang, fermented Korean chili paste, which is over 1,000 years old. It's got heat, it's got sweetness, and that deep umami kick from those fermented beans. Think of it as Korea's answer to miso and sriracha combined. Here's what you'll need.